Typecasting in Java involves converting a variable from one data type to another. This can be necessary when you want to perform operations on variables of different types or when you need to assign a value of one type to a variable of another type. In simple words, convert a value from one data type to another data type is known as typecasting. There are two types of typecasting. 1. Implicit casting, also called widening. 2. Explicit casting, also called narrowing. Implicit casting, widening. This happens automatically when a smaller data type is converted to a larger data type. It is considered safe because there is no loss of data. Example: int value equals 10, double value equals int value. Here we are doing implicit casting from int to double. Explicit casting, narrowing. This requires manual intervention and is done when converting a larger data type to a smaller one. It needs explicit syntax and may result in data loss. Example: double value equals 10.5. Int value equals int double value. Here we are doing explicit casting from double to int. It's crucial to note that explicit casting should be done carefully, as there may be a loss of precision or information when converting from a larger data type to a smaller one. Implicit casting is generally safer because it involves converting to a larger data type where there's no risk of data loss. See you again. Thank you.